Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Put your hands on your heart. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. Breathe in from your nose and let go from the mouth. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out from the mouth. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Your eyes are closed, your physical body is beginning to relax, your mind is becoming quiet and calm. And with each and every breath, allow yourself to release all the stress, all the tension. Anywhere any one of you is feeling, as much as I am trying to keep myself positive and connect with the angels, someone or something comes up and shows up to pull me away. It's all part of the universe. Don't resist it. Don't avoid it. Just expand. Don't make it bigger than yourself. You are an infinite being. The situation, the person is just an ant. Dot. Expand yourself. Connect with the energy of the universe. Universe is your daddy. Just trust the universe. Universe has your back. Expand and connect the energy with the energy of the Mother Earth. Pull the energy from the Mother Earth all the way from your feet up to the top of your head. Pull the energy from the universe. Imagine a shaft of white light coming all the way from the universe to the top of your head, all the way down. And now, let us invoke Archangel Michael and Goddess Durga. And if some of you relate with Kali as your spirit guide, you can call upon Archangel Michael, Durga, and Kali. And in their presence, you can be vulnerable. Allow yourself to acknowledge the people in your life who are the energy vampires. Bring their energy in front of you. Your angels, your spirit guide are all around you right now. And bring these people who you think are draining your energy right in front of you. And intend ask the universe and your guides to help you release your relationship with them, release any energy blockage between you and them that is coming from any past life, any current life, belief system of you being a giver and them being a taker. Allow yourself to surrender all of that. Ask your angels and spirit guide and the universal white light to contribute to them as well. What if today you just move their source of energy that is coming through you to them to directly to universe? Everywhere you decided that you are related to them in a certain way and you cannot let go of the relationship or the responsibility of the relationship, just surrender that to the universe. We are all infinite universal beings, and so is this other person or people. There can be more than one. Bring all of them in front of you. Let all your energy vampires be there in front of you. And as I call them energy vampires, I do not mean to disrespect them. That's just one of the many things they are doing. Maybe they feel they are lacking what you have, and they hold on to you to take it. Whatever it is, what if they don't have to take it from you? What if you don't have to do that job anymore? Repeat with me. You can say it out loud or in your heart. I free myself from all the responsibilities and jobs towards these people. Today, I free myself from all the jobs and responsibilities towards these people. Today, I free myself from all the jobs and responsibilities towards these people. Today, I free myself from all the obligations towards these people. I have total choice now about who would I like to be in my life and what would I like to do for them. Today, I free myself from being their energetic support system. Yeah, as you free yourself from being their energetic support system, some of you may also see or visualize your energetic pipes coming out of them back into your body, your space. It's perfectly okay to withdraw. Allow yourself to withdraw with grace from all those obligations. There is no have to in your life. It is all choose to. And now allow yourself to claim, own, and acknowledge all your powers and potencies that you have ever given to all these people in this life or any other lifetime. If you are a clairvoyant, you may see those energies and powers coming to you in some form, color, vibration. And if you cannot see it, it's perfectly all right. You may just feel it or just know that it is happening. And everywhere you have been taking crap out of other people's reality with the hope that will help them, that will help them. Allow yourself to release all of that now. Surrender it all to the universe. You may create a ball of energy in front of you, create a ball of light in front of you. Put your palms around that ball of light and allow your body to release all of those energy blockages, all of the problems, pains, suffering, diseases you sucked out of other people, knowingly, unknowingly. Let it all come out, and you may see that coming out of your palms from every cell of your body into this ball of light. Oh, release, 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 release. Let it all come out. All those relationships, all those responsibilities, roles, people that are not contributing to you anymore. You may ask Archangel Michael to cut the cords, the etheric cords that connects you, and release those cords as well into this ball of light. You may ask Goddess Kali to provide you with the protection along with Archangel Michael. And you may also ask Goddess Durga to provide you with the courage, with the wisdom, with the killing energy to stand for yourself. To stand for your evolution, your joy, your expansion. And now, surrender this ball of light to Archangel Michael, and Archangel Michael can take it along to the universe, to the divine white light where all can dissolve. You can look at yourself from that space of expansiveness. Look at your body or get present to your body and wow, look at the light body you have. You are responsible only for yourself, and you cannot give it to those who cannot receive. Choose for you, and as you evolve and expand, you may inspire many who would like that change. Do not push the joy to those who are not choosing. Be the joy, and you will inspire many to be pulled to you who are seeking. And that is how you be the miracle of the planet. And that is how you be the angel messenger. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Allow yourself to be present with your physical body. You can wiggle your hands and your feet a little bit. Integrate with your physical body. Get present to each and every cell of your body, right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation, and if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.